You know, there are so many apps for learning languages out there. You can learn French on this app, Chinese on that app, Spanish on another app, and German on yet another app. But guess what? There is one app which has managed to stand apart from all these apps. That app is called Duolingo. And in today's video, we are going to see how Duolingo uses artificial intelligence or AI to teach you languages. There are more than 1 billion devices running Android and iOS in the world. And guess what? More than 500 million people use this app at least once a day. This makes Duolingo one of the most used apps in the world. So without any further delay, let us get started with today's video. Before we start, guys, I have an announcement for you, so just listen to me carefully. As you all know, there are lots and lots of comments on my videos asking me about the strategies, tactics, and techniques that I follow to create such type of videos. Well, now you do. I'll need to ask me in the comments section because I have finally created a free masterclass that explains everything about my video creation process. I'll explain how I come up with ideas, how I write scripts, how I film myself in my computer screen, how I edit my videos, how I upload my videos, and most importantly, how I became successful as a self-taught YouTuber. To get access to this masterclass, simply click on the link provided below. Again, it's absolutely free. So hurry up and register before the offer expires. Now let us come back to the topic at hand. Now, Duolingo is a language learning app which is available for both Android as well as iOS devices. This app teaches you languages through bite-sized lessons. All these bite-sized lessons are fun to learn and they keep you engaged. If you want to learn new words and phrases, you just need to spend some time every day on this app, and trust me, within a few days, you will notice a huge improvement in your vocabulary. But wait, how does this app manage to achieve such accuracy? How does it suggest new words and phrases for you to learn? Well, this is where artificial intelligence comes into the picture. When you open the app for the first time, you need to tell the app the language that you want to learn. Suppose you want to learn Hindi, so you select Hindi, and then the app will ask you what is your proficiency level in Hindi. For example, if you are a beginner who knows nothing about Hindi, then you can select the beginner option. And after that, the app will ask you to choose between two options. The first option is speaking and writing, and the second option is listening and reading. Suppose you select speaking and writing, and the app will show you some basic phrases and words in Hindi. For example, hello, how are you, thank you, etc. Now here the app uses artificial intelligence to analyze your responses. Let's say you make mistakes while speaking or writing these phrases. In that case, the app uses AI to identify your weak areas, and it will try its best to focus more on those weak areas. In simple words, we can say that AI tailors your lessons according to your needs and requirements. It basically creates custom lessons for you based on your mistakes and your weak areas. This is the reason why so many people love this app, because this app doesn't follow a one-size-fits-all approach. Instead, it uses artificial intelligence to personalize the learning experience for every single user. Apart from this, the app also makes use of AI to improve your vocabulary. As you know, learning new words is very important if you want to become fluent in any language. But there is a big problem that most of the people face, and that is retaining new words. Most people forget new words within a few days after learning them. But you know what? This app uses AI to create flashcards, which will help you to remember new words for a longer period of time. These flashcards are based on the spaced repetition algorithm, or S. Now this algorithm is very powerful, and it was developed by a Carnegie Mellon University professor. Now this algorithm analyzes your performance, and it tries its best to show you the cards that you have forgotten. The main goal of this algorithm is to minimize the amount of time that you have to spend on learning new words. In simple words, we can say that this algorithm optimizes your flashcard sessions so that you can retain new words for a longer period of time. Apart from this, the app also uses AI to provide you with examples of new words. With the help of these examples, you will be able to understand the context of these new words. And as you know, understanding the context of a new word is very important for effective communication. In simple words, we can say that the app uses AI to provide you with personalized lessons, flashcards, and examples. Now, all of this is done to improve your vocabulary and to make sure that you retain that vocabulary for a longer period of time. Now, if you are wondering whether Duolingo is free or paid, well, I have the answer for you. There are both free as well as paid versions of this app. The free version of this app contains ads and limited content, but if you want to remove ads and get unlimited content, then you will have to pay around $7 per month. Moving on, let us talk about some of the features of this app. First of all, we have personalized lessons. As we have discussed earlier in the video, AI is used to tailor your lessons according to your weak areas. This means that you will not waste your time learning things that you already know. Along with this, you will also receive feedback on your pronunciation and grammar. This will help you to improve quickly. Next, we have AI-powered Chatbot. With the help of this chatbot, you will be able to practice your conversational skills. This chatbot uses AI to understand your responses, and it will try its best to make conversations as realistic as possible. Next, we have speech recognition technology. This feature is available in the paid version of the app, and it uses AI to analyze your pronunciation. You will receive feedback on your pronunciation, and this will help you to improve quickly. Next, I would like to talk about the user interface of this app. Now, this is one of the biggest strengths of this app, because it is designed in a very attractive manner. All the lessons are presented in the form of games, and this makes learning very fun and engaging. The app also uses gamification techniques to motivate you to learn. For example, you will earn points and badges as you complete lessons. This will help you to stay motivated, and it will encourage you to learn more. Finally, let us talk about the pros and cons of this app. First of all, let's talk about the pros. The biggest pro of this app is that it uses artificial intelligence to personalize your learning experience. This means that you will learn quickly and you will also stay motivated. The app also uses gamification techniques to make learning fun and engaging. Along with this, the app is completely free to use, and it contains no ads. Now coming to the cons. The biggest con of this app is that it is not available for smart TVs. This means that you cannot use this app on your TV. So this was all about today's video. Now it's time to take a look at what you have learned in today's video. Questions. Question no. 1. What is the name of the algorithm that is used by the app to optimize your flashcard sessions? Question no. 2. What do you call the feature that makes conversations with the chatbot more realistic? Question no. 3. What is the name of the company that owns this app? If you have answered all these questions correctly, then congratulations. You have learned the main points of the lesson. But if you have made mistakes, then don't worry. Simply rewatch the video and you will be able to answer all these questions correctly. So this was all for today's video. Hope you have learned something new today. If yes, then please hit the like button to let me know. Also, if you want me to cover more such interesting topics, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.